find the area for O1, I started off by measuring the rectangle, and I got 4 centimeters for the length and 2 centimeters for the width. I then put it in a proportion since I know 1.27 centimeters.
To find the area of a trapezoid, I used 300 and 400 as the top bases and then 200 as the height. I got these numbers by converting the centimeters to miles. So since we know that the area of a trapezoid is a plus b over 2 times the height, I plugged in the numbers and got area equals 300 plus 400 divided by 2 and then multiplied by 200. After I calculated this, I found the area was 70,000 miles. The next shape I used to find the area was a triangle. For the height, I got 250, and for the base, I got 350. I used these because I converted centimeters to miles. Since we know that a triangle is 1/2 base times height, I plugged it in using the base of 350 and the height as 250. My area is now 1/2 350 times 250. And the final result was the area was 43,750 miles.
Okay, so the first thing I did was measure the square from the Texas, and I had 2.5, 1.5, 2.5, and 1.5. So I converted that to miles, and I got 200, 100, and 100. So I multiplied 200 by 100, and I got 20,000 miles squared.
My shape was a triangle. I first found the altitude, which was 196.85 miles, and I found the base, which was 236.22 miles. I then plugged these into an equation, 1/2 times 236.22 times 196.85, and that gave me 23,249.95 miles squared.
O2 was also a rectangle, so I first started off by finding the sides. So the length was 3 and the width was 2. I then put the 3 into the same proportion I used for O1. So 1.27 over 3 equals 100 over x, and x ended up equaling 236.22. And then I already knew 2 centimeters equaled 157.48 miles because of my last one, because the width for that was also the same. So then I multiplied both of them, and I got 37,200 miles squared.